Advanced diagnostic imaging offers tremendous benefits, both for your patients and for your practice. And now with an innovative and very affordable new system called Fidex, you can have CT along with digital X-ray and fluoroscopic imaging on your site. Fidex can mean significant savings for your clients, and it opens many new opportunities for you. Instead of requiring you to buy a separate machine for each kind of imaging, Fidex gives you 3 modalities within one machine. There's computed tomography, commonly called CT, using innovative cone beam technology. Then, from the same machine, there's digital radiography with state-of-the-art sensors, and fluoroscopy for motion studies and interventional radiology. One machine with 3 modalities. It's very easy to find a spot for it in your practice. Perhaps you've already looked into buying refurbished human hospital machines, only to discover that you'll also need to pay for a special room with its own power and cooling systems. In contrast, a Fidex machine fits in the same kind of space as conventional X-ray machines. It can be brought in through regular hallways and doors, uses standard outlet power, and stays cool with ordinary room air conditioning. You won't need to reconstruct your office. Using a Fidex machine is simple and efficient. The patient positioning system works smoothly and quickly. For 2D X-rays and fluoroscopy, you can rotate the arm to make positioning far easier. Switching between modalities is also quick and simple. The sensors change over and align themselves automatically. At the console, setup and operation is streamlined, with software optimized specifically for rapid results in veterinary settings with minimal training. If your operators are comfortable taking traditional X-rays, they'll find that Fidex scans quickly become a matter of routine. All of this affordability and efficiency is great, but what's the level of medical image quality? The images you'll see with Fidex are comparable to what you'd receive from today's standalone systems. In fact, the Fidex images are often better, with higher resolution. And sophisticated controls make it easy to apply advanced techniques such as oblique viewing planes. Taking the next step, Fidex CT volume-rendered images offer new ways to explore anatomical details and anomalies with remarkable clarity and flexibility. Diagnosis can become easier, patients can be spared traumatic exploratory procedures, conditions and options are easier to explain to the owners, and treatment can become more precise and more confident. For example, for a dachshund with a damaged disc, the clarity and detail of these Fidex images enabled the surgeon to immediately see which vertebra and discs were involved, the calcification, and the intrusion into the spinal canal. Right now, we're looking at the MPR display, which shows slices from the 3D scan. It's also easy to view the same scan as a volume rendering, an alternative that some surgeons prefer as they map out locations and plan their route of approach. With a Fidex system, you choose the type of visualization you prefer as you work. Beyond just improving the medical outcomes, owning a Fidex system can also improve the flow of work in your practice. Here's the case of a cat that presented with breathing problems. A CT scan can be used to rule out a tumor. If you don't have CT on site, you'll have to get the owner to arrange transport to another facility and back, which can be time-consuming and risky. You'll have to coordinate schedules, you'll have to wait for the results, and you'll have to pass the fee for the scan over to the other facility. If you have a Fidex system, you can take the scans and interpret the results immediately. In this case, the tumor was ruled out, the cat was able to stay safely at the office, and the fee can stay within your own revenue stream. Here's a quick look at revenue and finances for a Fidex system. Fidex systems are available with all 3 modalities enabled, or in versions with 1 or 2 modalities, at significant savings. Let's say you're financing a basic CT Fidex system over 5 years. And let's say you charge well below market rate at only $600 for each study to make your service more accessible. At this rate, your monthly finance payment can be covered by doing just 5 CT studies each month. It's likely you'll be using your system much more often than that, so you'll be able to choose between paying off your loan sooner, reducing your fees even further, adding the difference to your net revenue, or a combination of all three. And you'll have the satisfaction that instead of you passing patients and revenue along to other vets, vets without CT might start coming to you. In summary, there are multiple reasons why a Fidex system from Animage is a good fit for your practice. First and foremost, you'll be able to dramatically improve diagnosis and treatment for your patients. You'll bring the latest capabilities within your practice on your site, no more having to send patients to other veterinarians. You'll be establishing a new stream of revenue for your practice, one that can become an important profit center. With Fidex, you'll be able to employ multiple advanced modalities within a single compact machine that will integrate new technologies smoothly in your workflow. And it's a system that you can afford. To learn more about Fidex and Animage, or to contact a representative of Animage, please call or visit the Animage website.